A relatively new brand on the market, Fossibot released its new smartphone called F102. It is a flagship-level rugged smartphone with top performance. It's created for these summer adventures. Here we find the world's first super large round camping light illuminating the darkest night, night vision camera, and a flagship-level 108 megapixel camera. There is a huge 16,500 mAh battery that lasts for days and days, all powered by the currently best 4G gaming chipset Helio G99, up to 20GB of RAM, all that on the latest Android 13 and much more. Be sure to watch this Fossibot F102 video review. So let's see what we have in this orange box. There is our smartphone, we will put it aside. There is the F102 user manual, SIM pin. What else we have here? USB Type-C cable. And finally 33 watts fast charger. Okay guys, this was the taste of this box. Now it's time to look at our smartphone. What can I tell you, this smartphone is built like a tank, ready for outdoor adventures. I have to admit that this is one of the few smartphones this year that really impressed me with the build quality and capabilities, especially for the low price at which is offered. If you don't believe me, visit the official sales link below the video and see for yourself. This is really an extra bargain. Just look at how it looks, strong and muscular. This phone is not for everyone. The smartphone was created for off-road adventures and trips, and it would be the shame to leave it around the house. It's like buying an SUV and never going off-road with it. So first impression, it's great to see a rugged device in a color other than a full black. Switching from the color to build quality, let me say that the Fossibot F102 shows how premium a device is in this category of rugged phones. The back plate has a nice metallic texture armor, everything around it is made of polycarbonate fixed with screws in this phone's constructions. Okay, I know that the first thing that catches your eye is this large round LED camping light. This is something that has become popular among these premium rugged smartphones and can be really useful. It is a flashlight with over 100 lumens, and there is 5 modes to use it. In the frame above we can see a powerful 108 megapixel AI cameras from the flagship segment, with the option of infrared night recording. There is also a classic LED flash for photography. Down here we have this beautiful engraved Fossibot logo. The right side of the device holds the volume rocker and the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint sensor. On the left side we find a dual SIM card slot and the 2 buttons below it. The first one is a red metal programmable key that supports a wide variety of functions. This button can trigger 3 different actions: a single click, a double click, or long press. This means you have a total of 3 options that you can launch with this button. You also find a slightly indented orange metal key below it, capable of activating a camping lamp with it, and with the additional squeeze you can reduce the light intensity, a very convenient and useful option. On the bottom, under the rubber cover that ensures 100% water resistance, there is USB Type-C charging port. Next to it we have a very loud and powerful speaker, but that's not all. On the top side of the phone we find another such great speaker, so we have a total of 2 speakers that give us a great powerful stereo hi-fi sound, great for listening to music or while playing video games. From the front we find a large scratch-resistant 6.15-inch FHD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels with even 120 Hz refresh rate. In a teardrop notch we can find the excellent 32 megapixel selfie camera with a face unlock option. I have to admit that I haven't really seen such an impressive display on any durable smartphone for a long time. Take a look at this, the colors are incredibly vivid and precise, reminiscent of AMOLED screen found on the Samsung phones. Moreover, the screen 120 Hz GHz refresh rate makes it notably swift and smooth. It's truly remarkable how Fossibot managed to deliver such a beautiful display in the phone at this category. As I said, the quality of the display surprised me at this price point. It's bright enough to easily view outdoors, YouTube videos and Twitch streams look sharp. I'm used to missing my flagship smartphone display whenever I test rugged phones, but that was not the case with this device. The display produces rich, vibrant colors, and the crystal clear content reproduction provides exceptional quality. The screen is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass protection, and you can be covered in terms of durability. Excellent large display for viewing multimedia content, especially videos. With this large battery on the F102, it can last for hours and hours. What can I say? This is a great display for everyday use, and more than that, one of the best in rugged phone class. In the water drop notch, we find the front 32 megapixel AI beauty selfie camera with many options and beautification of a portrait, ideal for taking selfies for social media, and there is also a function of unlocking the phone by facial recognition. Okay, now let's go to the back of the phone again. As I already said, as you can see, there is another unavoidable detail, and that is this round camping light. Have hundreds of LED lamp beads and 5 modes of use, and it can be great help to you in situations that there is no light, such as the forest or in some closed dark spaces. In testing, this lamp could turn even the darkest of the nights into daylight. Whenever you seek a safe camping spot for the evening or safety light for a construction site early in the morning, the F102 can do the job. Its software includes multiple brightening settings, and it's clearly ideal for camping with app control the specific brightness level required, or activate various emergency SOS modes to attract attention from potential many miles away in open space. So this round lamp here behind, among other things, save lives. If you like to wander through the wilderness, the F102 phone will be your best companion. But that's not all. Above the lamp there is also a superb set of triple cameras. There is a 108 megapixel main camera, 20 megapixel infrared night vision, and the 5 megapixel macro camera. I think their cameras have proven to be excellent in everyday challenges both day and night. The day camera can record videos in a maximum of 2K resolution and 30 fps. The night vision infrared camera is also excellent, allowing you to zoom and take detailed video and photo shots even in pitch darkness. We also swam a little in the pool and filmed because this phone has the underwater recording option. I'm not going to talk about the camera in detail, its actions speak for themselves. I took some pictures and videos with our F102 in different situations, so to see how it looks, let's take a look in the rest of the video. Judging by its appearance, is there nothing that the phone boasts exceptional water, dust and drop resistant with IP68 and IP69K ratings, along with meeting the military standard MIL-STD 810H for shock resistance. It's designed to endure and excel in extreme environments. The F102 excels in providing superior protection against water, dust and falls, making it rugged enough to thrive in various challenging conditions. Extensive durability test validated its robustness, and its remarkable waterproof, dustproof and dot-proof performance establishes its a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. As you have, swimming in the pool is not really a problem. Running the softer side, Fossibot F102 is based on the latest pure Android 13, so we enjoy given its simple and easy to navigate interface, simple and recognizable, so all Google applications and functions are installed here, as well as support for NFC and the Google Pay. It also features a reliable GPS system with supports for 4 satellites. Everything you want you get on this phone. The quality during phone conversation or by sending mobile data and connectivity to the Wi-Fi network really work without any problems, just as it should for a phone like this. The Fossibot F102 punches above its somewhat unusual appearance with performance. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio G99, currently the strongest 4G chipset on the market, which provides a continuously smooth experience. I also love the power efficiency to performance ratio. You get more than enough power for daily tasks without losing hour on the battery life. Social apps like Instagram, Twitter or Facebook are breeze on this phone. You can stream videos without hiccups, and daily tasks such as email and calls are handled easily. The large 20GB of RAM helps keep more apps on Chrome Tab Sketch, but that's not all. With the additional 8GB of virtual RAM memory, you can increase the total amount of even 20GB of working memory, which is crazy, so that your smartphone becomes even faster and more agile. The phone ships with a generous 256GB of internal storage, which aids the lack of micro SD card slot. Gaming is a wonderful experience on this phone. The MediaTek Helio G99 prides itself on the high performance gaming, and this phone is no exception. It effortlessly handles the most demanding gaming available on the Google Play Store, providing top-notch performance even in the high settings. The powerful hardware, combined with the unique 7-dimension graphene film cooling system, efficiently manages temperature to prevent overheating during extended gaming seasons. With the 120Hz display refresh rate, the pleasure of gaming will be even better. Furthermore, the phone houses a massive 16,500 mAh battery, guarantees hours and hours of interrupted gaming pleasure. So if you're a passionate gamer who enjoy playing the latest titles, the Fossibot F102 is definitely a device worth considering for its exceptional performance and gaming capabilities, and you can expect to continue playing quickly with the phone rapid fast charging, which will charge this huge battery with a 33 watts charger in an hour without any problems. I would really recommend this smartphone to anyone who travels a lot and does not have opportunity to charge the device often. The F102 is the perfect companion on long trips and ideal as your personal photography assistant with its powerful cameras. The huge battery, the super bright flashlight, its night vision feature, the phenomenal 120Hz display, or just the fact that this still works as a modern smartphone without some ancient chipset means that there is very little to dislike about this phone. And the flagship level 180 megapixel camera, there is a huge 16,500 mAh battery that lasts for days and days, all powered by the currently best 4G gaming chipset Helio G99 and up to 20GB of RAM, all that on the latest Android 13 and much more. Moreover, I can say that the F102 will definitely not disappoint you in any way. The official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them. Hurry up and get your new Fossibot F102 today at a promotional price, because now is a chance to get yourself this unique smartphone. That will be all for now, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video review, bye.